Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Want to Step. Today in this video let's learn about how to create an account on Epic Games. So let's get started. At first let's get into any browser and search for epicgames.com. Now we can see this icon on the top left corner over here, so let's tap on this. Now enter your email address here and click on continue. Now enter your date of birth and click on continue. Now enter all of the details to sign up and agree the terms and conditions here and simply click on continue. So now we are in Epic Games interface. So this is all we can do to create an account on Epic Games. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.